How to upload digital products on Gumroad. So, to upload digital products on Gumroad, the first step is to create an account. So, go ahead and open your browser. Go to the Gumroad website. Just type in gumroad.com and then click on the sign up button to create a new account. Now, fill in the required information and then complete the registration process. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Gumroad is an online platform that allows creators, artists, and entrepreneurs to sell their digital products directly to their audience. It provides a simple and user friendly interface for uploading, marketing, and selling various types of digital content, including ebooks, videos, music, software, courses, and more. Now, the next step that we should do is to access the product tab. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Gumroad dashboard. It can be seen here on the left side of your screen. So just simply click on the product tab located in the top menu. This is where you can be able to manage your products. Now, in the product section, you'll find a button labeled New Product on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to begin creating a new product. Next, choose what type of product that you want to upload. So in our case, we want to upload a digital product. So you can see it here on the first box, digital product. So just tap on that. And after choosing, we need to enter the product details. So just fill in the required information for your digital product. This includes the product title and the product price. So go ahead and type that product name and then set the price. Next up is to enter the price that you want to charge for your product. After that, you will then be directed to this page where you can add in the description, URL, image or videos, and the thumbnail for your digital product. Make sure to write a compelling description that effectively communicates the value of your product. Now, below the thumbnail option is the product information. First is the call to action. So just click on the drop down button and then select whatever you need. Add in a summary of what the buyer will get from your product. This summary can really help since in this way they already know specifically what to expect from your product. Next, in the product info tab is the additional details. So just add something in here if you need it. Below that is the integration followed by the pricing. Here is the price that we typed in a while ago in the previous page. And below that is the toggle to allow customers to pay what they want. This will let customers set their own price, and usually you can get tip from this. Next step is to add product variations. So this is an optional step, but if you're selling a product with different versions or options, such as different formats or package tiers, you can add variations. So just click on the add variation button and provide the necessary details for each variation. You can also offer variations. Maybe you can offer bundles, bundle discounts. These are actually a great way to be able to sell more of your digital products, especially if the two things are interrelated. You can do that as well. And then after that, you can also put up some settings to boost your sales. Here are some additional settings that you can adjust based on your own needs. So this, for example, is for limiting product sales. These allows customer to choose a quantity. So let's say I only want customers to be able to buy this one. So they can only buy it once. But if I want them to be able to purchase multiple different digital copies, they can also do that by turning this off. So that is surely up to you. Now, on the right side, you will see a preview of your product. So just take a look, and if you're satisfied with it, go ahead to the top right corner of your page and then click on Save and Continue to get to the Content tab. Now, on the Content page of Gumroad, you have the opportunity to showcase and present your digital product to potential customers. It's an essential part of the sales process as it allows you to provide information and persuade visitors to make a purchase. Here are some key things to consider and include in your Gumroad content page. First is write a thorough description of your product that highlights its features, benefits, and value proposition. Explain how it can solve a problem or fulfill a need for your customers. Use a persuasive language and storytelling techniques to engage the readers and generate interest. Next, you can also utilize the text formats in here to highlight specific feature or parts that you want to highlight. So, for example, you can make your text or the title bold and then italicize some different informations about your product. Also, you can include visually appealing images or graphics related to your product. This can be a cover image, screenshots, sample pages, or any visual representation that showcases the quality and appeal of your product. High quality visuals can attract attention and make your content more engaging. Additionally, if you have received positive feedback or reviews from customers or influencers, consider including them on the content page. Testimonials can build trust and credibility, assuring potential buyers that your product is valuable and reliable. Remember that the content page should effectively communicate the value of your product, address potential concerns, and create a sense of trust and excitement in the potential buyer. So keep it well structured, visually appealing, and persuasive to increase the likelihood of the conversation. Now, additional tips to raise your sales is first to use high quality visuals. Invest in creating an attractive cover image and add additional graphics that can enhance the appeal of your product. Sometimes people don't really read the information and they rely on the image. So, using high quality visuals can help you sell your product. Next is to optimize your product description. Clearly articulate the benefits and features of your product. Also, use bullet points and formatting to make it easy to read and understand. Lastly, leverage tags and keywords. Add relevant tags to your product to improve its visibility in Gumroad's search results. Think about keywords that potential customers might use when looking for products like yours. So that is how to upload digital products on Gumroad. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.